Hi, I'm Curtis Wayne. I'm here with my friends from Florida's Adventure Coast. We're here at the Florida Sand Music Ranch, and we're going to tell you all about the Florida Winter Music Festival. I love the blues, but 5 days of the blues gives me the blues. I love bluegrass, but 5 days of bluegrass gives me the jitters. So we mix it up. We've got country, bluegrass, and blues. We've got Americana, folk, and Zydeco. Our festival features original music by original artists for original people. Come out for a day or camp with us for the week. Campsite options range from RV hookups close to the stages to primitive sites out in the woods. We have permanent private showers and restrooms. We're family friendly with a playground, trails, and organized kids activities. Friendly dogs on leashes are welcome. Food trucks and drink vendors will be here, or bring your own and save a buck to spend on the craft vendors. We have yoga in the morning, crafts for kids of all ages in the afternoon, and puppet karaoke at night. We're kicking off Wednesday with Grant Peoples mullet fry and guitar pull starting at 6 p.m. And yes, you can fry a mullet. It's excellent with cheese grits and coleslaw. After dinner, Grant and Sarah Stovall from Passerine will put on a concert. Then comes the guitar pull. This is where Grant passes his guitar to you and you play a song. Then you pass it along to the next willing participant. His acoustic guitar will be amplified and participants will be mic'd up. A ticket is required for dinner, but no ticket or reservations are required to attend the concert and guitar pull. Thursday music on the stage starts at 5 p.m. and features 4 local bands. I say on the stage because music is happening at the campsites all the time, and that's what makes this place special. Bring your guitar. There are welcoming campsite jams and song circles throughout the campground. You might even see main stage performers collaborating around a campfire. Both stages crank up Friday and Saturday at 11 a.m., and the main stage runs until 11 p.m., with international touring acts like Dwayne Dupsy and the Zydeco Hellraisers from Lafayette, Louisiana. Festival rising stars, the Ain't Sisters from Atlanta, Georgia. You can catch Matthew Curry here before he leaves on his European tour. Don't miss our festival house band from Jacksonville, the Firewater Tent Revival. Sunday is Reggae Day. Mellow out with cool vibes from Greg Roy and Trevor Bystrom's Rooster Crossing. So bring the kids, bring the dog, bring Granny. You deserve this. I'll see you here